is the first major Valentine's Day gift I'm getting, so like so in the shape of the letter F, because that's the first letter of my name. Show yourself love, okay? You deserve it.
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Funmi, and if this is the first wait. My YouTube channel. My name is Funmi, and if this is your first, what is this?
Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Funmi, and on this channel I post sewing tutorials, DIYs, thrift flips and stuff like that. So if you're interested, you should definitely check it out, and I'm sure you'd subscribe like after watching one or two videos. Anyway, today, oh my goodness, happy Valentine's Day first of all. Okay, like by the time you're watching this, it's probably going to be like maybe a day after Valentine's or like later today, but still happy Valentine's Day, or happy Valentine's Day in arrears. I don't know, I like Valentine's Day, sha. Yeah, what's not to love? A whole day to celebrate love and all of that. So today I just want to unbox this with you. It is a whole box in the shape of the letter F, because that's the first letter of my name. And I actually made this for myself, so I'm going to post a tutorial for how you can make this box also. Expect the tutorial in a few days. But anyway, today we're going to unbox my Valentine's Day gift. So this is the first major Valentine's Day gift that I'm getting, or this is the most extra Valentine's Day gift that I've gotten. So like I'm really excited about this. First of all, like I like that I put like the butterflies and the flowers on the cover. It just makes it look extra nice. So let's just get into the box straight away. Like I got some things that I have really wanted for a long time, and I'm just really excited about that. Starting off with, I got this Nataraj pack of colored pens, because I love journaling, but like for me my favorite aspect of journaling is like decorating the page and like using colored paper and colored pens and stuff like that. And I really wanted to get more consistent with journaling this year, and so I got this for myself finally, because I have been saying I wanted this for a long time. So finally, yeah. Some other things to go with the pen, I got some cute sticky notes, like this one and this one. So now I can't wait to get back to my journaling. Next up, I'm not a skincare junkie, but I have heard a lot of good things about tea tree to be specific. And to be honest, I've gotten like some of their face wipes, and for a while it has always been tea tree face wipes that I had gotten, but I hadn't gotten anything else. And I had heard a lot of good things about this face wash to be specific, and so I decided to get it for myself for Valentine's Day. So I got the face wash, I got tea tree oil from the same brand, and I also got wipes. So I'm really excited to, like, it already smells good even from outside of the packaging, so like I can't wait to start using it. And yeah, then finally on the chapter of skincare, I got a face mask. I haven't ever used any of these sheet masks before, so I just got one and I'm going to try it out, and then like depending on what my experience is with this one, then maybe I might try it again. So yeah. And then I'm a sweet tooth. I am a sweet tooth, and so I threw together like chocolates and other things in the box. Okay, so we have 2 bars of Mars. My sister actually paid for this. This was her contribution to my box, so thank you, Fisayo. So I have 2 chocolate bars here. I have some wafers. I really like this blue Pure Bliss. At some point I had an unhealthy obsession with this. Like I could not pass by where they were selling it and not buy. So, but I'm healed now. So yeah, I just got 2 of this, and then I got another one. I don't think I've ever tried this, so I'm going to try this and we're going to see. Then in December, I had a crazy Skittles moment sometime in like November, December, and so a friend of mine saw Skittles and just randomly got it for me and just gave me one Sunday like that, like, you know, yeah. So I added the Skittles that he got me into the box. So here it is, and this is the pack that I actually got for this box. because this is what I started getting. Like I got this in November/December, and then I got one in January again, and then I got one for this box. I don't know, I just really like Skittles, and having this bigger bag means I can just like take some of it and keep it. Like I'm just one person, so how many can I take at once? So it's going to take me like a few weeks to finish this, but yeah. And then finally I got Maltesers, because why not? Like, okay, no, not finally, I'm sorry. I got a packet of Mentos, but I just like opened the packet and like dumped everything into the box. So there's that. And finally, I thought this was like a really sweet addition to my box. I got my friends to write me notes, and I'm going to read the notes. I kept the notes. I didn't read any of them, so I kept them because I'm going to read them today. Like, oh my god. First of all, okay, before I get into reading the notes, I just want to say that, like, I think it's very important to do nice things for yourself. Like, I think sometimes, especially us single people, right? You see everybody, like all these couples doing their thing on Valentine's Day and just showering love on each other, and you're just like, God when. But like, even in whether or not you're single, I'm not just talking to single people, but like, I just had to make that example. But whether or not you're single, I think it's important to have a really great relationship with yourself, and to just do nice things for yourself sometimes. Like maybe just save up and buy that book that you've been wanting to get, or like, I'm not saying you go and squander money every time that small money should enter your hand. You go and squander it and go and behave anyhow. If your money finishes, Funmi did not send you any message. But like, just nice things for yourself sometimes. Like I knew everything that was in this box, but I was just really excited to unbox it today, and like I was so excited making the box for myself. And yeah, so sometimes show yourself love, okay? You deserve it. Yeah, you deserve it. I don't want to read the notes out because like this seems like such a personal thing. Wow, I'm a bit emotional. So I'm done reading all of the notes. Smiled from ear to ear this afternoon. And well, happy Valentine's Day to everyone. If you're watching this on Wednesday or during the weekend, have a great weekend, have a great day. Hope you're having a great day. This was really nice. Like, I get why people that their gifts, their what is it called? Their love language is what getting gifts? What's that called? Is receiving gifts. Yeah, receiving gifts. I get it. Like, it's nice. It's really nice. And this was really thoughtful, because this is all like stuff that I like. I know, like, I got it for myself, so obviously I'm going to get stuff that I like. But even though you get my point. So thank you for unboxing this with me, and I will see you next week, either in the tutorial for the box or in the tutorial for a dress tutorial or something like that. Oh, by the way, the top that I'm wearing right now, the tutorial is on the channel, so just in case you were wondering, I will link it in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. And don't forget to show yourself some love. It's so easy to wait around and be expecting to be loved by others and be expecting other people to do stuff, but it's always important that you show yourself the love that you deserve. Okay, bye.